Our galaxy is beyond imaginable. It includes so many billions of stars. And it has been discovered that hundreds of planets are orbiting these other stars. This leads us to the question, are there other Earth-like habitable planets out there? This is the challenge of NASA's Kepler mission, as it seeks to find terrestrial planets in the habitable zone, where liquid water and possibly life might exist. This is the Kepler telescope that was launched in 2009. It is staring at more than 150,000 stars in a region between the constellations Lyra and Cygnus. Amongst these 150,000 stars, a mysterious star has been detected, KIC 8462852, also known as Tabby star, after astronomer Tabitha Boyajian, who was the lead author of published paper Where's the Flux, which is why the star is also called WTF star. Here is a tiny background of the star. It is a hydrogen-fusing star and referred to as a yellow-white dwarf. It has a mass of 1 to 1.4 times the Sun and has a surface temperature of 6,000 to 7,600 Kelvin. Also, Kepler did not detect excessive infrared radiation, suggesting that this is not a young star. So why is this star mysterious? As we can see from the flux time graph, there are strange and non-periodical dipping light patterns, particularly at day 800 and 1500, with brightness dropping up to 20%, lasting 5 to 80 days. To give a sense of how extreme it is, a planet of Jupiter's size would only cause a dipping of 1%, and planets do not get much larger than that.
According to astronomers, the fluctuations are real and not due to instrumental errors. The astronomers have tried to explain this phenomenon by coming up with a few theories. The most promising theory suggests that another star pulls in a family of exocomets towards Tabby star, which causes the dimming patterns. Indeed, the astronomers found a small companion star nearby, approximately 1,000 astronomical units. It is suggested that the companion star is bringing along a bunch of comets, which are icy bodies composed of dust and gaseous materials, causing the dipping in light pattern. However, the astronomers also mentioned that if this is true, it would be an extreme coincidence. Nonetheless, despite the many possible explanations, the hypotheses are still insufficient to fully explain the data collected by Kepler. This leads to astronomer Jason Wright to propose the possibility of alien megastructures orbiting the star. Not proven, but still cool. So, what's next? Currently, the astronomers are looking to collect more data as well as other forms of information to aid in unraveling its mystery. One such example is to launch an upgraded version of Kepler into space to capture more detailed information. Interestingly, lead author Boyajian and astronomer Wright are teaming up with Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence to monitor radio waves which could possibly be released from the potential alien civilization structure. In the meantime, we can all fantasize about the appearances of the aliens and their megastructures orbiting KIC 8642852. KIC 8642852, you're indeed mysterious.